In this video, I'll show you how to solve the challenge 3 using Power Query import, as I told you in my last video. So let's take a look at my column. You can see I have a list of names. Each name contains space. So I want to find the position of each space but in reverse order. For example, the position of this space is 10 if I start counting from here, and it is 16. I have already brought the table into Power Query. I'll take few steps so that you can understand everything step by step. You will get the complete solution in the comment section of my original LinkedIn post. So I will share the link of my post in the description. First, I will reverse the name. So I will go to add column and I will click on custom column. The first formula I will use Text.Reverse. So the argument is text as an nullable text, which will be my data. If I close the bracket and hit OK, you can see the text has been reversed successfully. Now I will extract each letter. So again, I will go to add column and click on custom column. Here I will use the function Text.ToList. So the argument is text as a text, which will be my this data. If I close the bracket, this formula will deliver me the list for each character. If I hit OK, you can see I have list for each name, and I click on the blank space. You can notice all the characters have been extracted but as a list. Now I will find the position of each character. So again, I will go to add column and click on custom column. Here I will use the function list.positions. So I will write dot and position. You can see this is list.positions. The argument is list as list. So I have already the list. I'll close the bracket and click on OK. So you can see I have another list. If I click on the blank space, now I have the position number for each character. But I want to start from 1. So I will come again this function to revise. Here I will use List.Transform. So list as a list, I have already the list. Here I will use the function. I'll write each because I want to see the impact for each number. Now I will write underscore to refer my list, and I will add 1. I will close the bracket and click OK. You can see I have the number starting from 1. Now I will combine this list with this list. So again, I will go to add column and click on custom column. Here I will use the list.zip function to combine these two lists. As I have to supply the list in this argument, so I will write them in the curly bracket. So first list is custom 1, comma, and second list is custom 2. I will close the curly bracket and close the bracket of list.zip. I'll click OK. Now I have another column. If I click on the blank space, you can see I have list. If I click on this list, you can see I have sublist. If I click on the blank space, now you can see I have character and its position. I will delete this step, but I want to return the sublist where the space exists. So again, I will go to add column and click on custom column. Here I will write the list.select function. The first argument list as a list, which will be my this list, comma. Here I will write the function each and refer the list. Now I will write the index number 0 in the curly bracket, and it will check the first value of the list equal to space. If I close the bracket and click OK, now you can see I have another column where I have the list. If I click on the blank space, you can see I have two lists. If I click on this list, I have two sublists. If I click on the blank space, you can see I have the space and its position number. If I click on the second sublist, you can see I have the space and its position number. So now I want to return the number. So again, I will delete this step. Now I will go back to this step to revise the code. Here I will write the list.transform function bracket. The first argument is list as a list. I have already the list, comma. Now I will use the function each. Here I will use text.from function because I want to extract the text from the list. So the value will be the sublist. So I will refer the sublist by writing underscore. Here I will write the index number 1 because I want the second row value, and we know Power Query index number starts from 0. 0 means the first row value and 1 means the second row value. If I close the bracket and close the bracket and hit OK, if I click on the blank space, you can see I have the value. Now I will combine these two values. So again, I will go back to my step and revise the function. Here I will use text.combine function, combine. So the first argument is text as a list. I have already the text as a list. Now I'll write the separator. The separator will be comma. If I close the bracket and hit OK, now you can see I have my expected result. I can change the name. The name will be position of space. If I want to show the only the position of space this column, I can write the column name in the square bracket. If I press enter, now you can see I have my expected result. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any kind of question, you can write in the comment. I'm glad to respond. See you in the next one. Thank you.